This is Forex Trading, your last stop in trading education. Today we are going to be considering trading sessions. And why we are going to be considering trading sessions is just for knowledge sake. Because our methodology and techniques have no respect for trading sessions. You are going to be knowing why later. There are three major trading sessions in the Forex market. We have the London session, the New York session, the Sydney or Tokyo session. Because it is not going to be part of our methodology, our technique, we are not going to be dwelling much on this. But you just need to know it for knowledge purposes, for knowledge sake. There are techniques out there that are designed around sessions open, sessions close, and all of that. But we are not going to be going into that. So, this London session, New York session, Sydney or Tokyo session, they are the big sessions where you have big volumes in the market. But here the truth is, the market can move anytime. Know this, the market can move anytime. So we go to the next session, the next one. Maybe you are asking, Master, mentor, guide, please, when should I trade? Some literatures have it that do not trade on Mondays because the market is not stable, the direction of the market is not well known. They don't really release much news, market moving news on Mondays. So because of that, do not trade. Some will say during news hours, do not trade the news hours because the news can go against you and all of that. These are some of the wrong education that traders have been fed with, and it affects trading. It gives you negativity in your trading. Our techniques have no respect for time frames. They have no respect for news. No, we don't trade news. We don't even look at it. But we can guide you if you want to. But we don't. Our techniques are not based on that. You don't need to be able to read news. You don't need fundamentals. Just trade. Just do what the chart is telling you. Everything you need to do is in the chart. Someone said that, okay, they are about to release high impact news by 2 p.m. Are you saying that I should just go and place trade? Your problem is that you are looking at when they will release news and you don't know the direction the news will go. So it affects your trading. So our techniques do not answer you, do not respect fundamental analysis. Why? Because whatever fundamentals are doing reflects on the chart, and we take our decisions based on the charts. So the answer to your question, when should I trade, is this: trade anytime the oracles of oracles trading speak. And what we call the oracles are our trade setups that is uncommon, that you have not been taught in the market. Those are our oracles. When they speak, when the setups speak, respond fast. Do not analyze it. Take action. That is our answer to you. Trade any time of the week. Trade any day of the week. If you have the setup just before any fundamentals are released, take it. You see, this is something that you have to unlearn. I know that you have learned that when they are about to release news, do not enter the market. Wait for like 5 minutes, 15 minutes for the market to calm down. Before the market calms down, you have lost a lot. The market may not come back again. When you are back testing and seeing how wonderful some techniques, if you have such, performed, do you consider the news released those periods? Just look at the chart. You don't consider the news. You just say, this chart, this technique works, this one works, this, and all of that. So you don't need to consider news. If your risk management is in place and it is in order, then you don't have to be afraid of losses. Why traders don't trade during news is because they are afraid of losses and they do not trust their techniques. If your risk is intact, then you have nothing to fear. Yes, you have nothing to fear. So, trade every day of the week, of the trading week, if and only if our setups, the oracles, speak. And once they speak, take action. This is what we have for you for now in trading sessions. Our promise, as always, if you are serious about becoming the trader you've always wanted to be, subscribe to Oracles Trading now. Oracles Trading isn't about hype, it's about truth. We'll tell you the truth. That's why we're telling you what we're telling you now. Discipline and results. Welcome home, fellow trader.